Right, let's get the level set up by the corner.
20 metres to the drainage pipe. Watch it fall.
Clear the bramble by the gate.
Match the old joint line.
Hold it there. We need exactly 4 metres 200 from the drainage channel.
Circuit 1 engaged. 2 confirmed. 3 looking good.
All right, initiating lighting sequence now.
36 metres clear.
Bring the dumper around to section C.
Keep the old line at the brass edge. Flow is good.
Angle the bench toward the arch.
Final clean, then shoot.
Copy that, moving these poles.
Safety check on level 5. Is the netting secured? Affirmative, set to forcing.
Do not overfill the old line.
Dim to 30%.
No traffic until the seal cures.
Keep the stair core.
Suites start after the roof is dry. Dining room first, pantry behind.
Keep the fireplace the hero. Lift it slowly. Room ready for service. Clear the corridor now.
Mattress coming through. Is the pressure holding on to?
Yeah, steady.
Okay, secure that line.
Suite 201, clear.
Clear the line. Hold on, setting this diffuser first.
Match the pattern at the corner.
Pressure holds. Get that underlay down in suite 3.
Coming right up. Need the... Suite by suite, no dust left.
Roof first, then glass. Save the plaques.
Crate the old tile, don't mix it. No finishes until the roof reads dry.
Keep every sensor below the sightline.
Center of nave.
Blue panel locked. Keep the aisle line straight. Stair first, then clock frame.
Seal before interiors.
Hold it steady, coming down now. All right, easy, easy. Watch the clock.
Privacy mode holds. Tower scene on.
Careful with the emerald chair, watch that corner. We need the bronze table.
Keep clean waste separate from contaminated adhesive.
Shielded room first, finishes later.
No panels closed until every circuit tests.
Is that counterbalanced yet?
Almost, just need to secure the sink flange.
Lock the machine before the glass.
Align that chair with the rug edge.
How does the art look right there?
Membrane, steel, glass. Drainage first, then steel frame.
All right, bring it down. Watch the left side. Watch the left side. Easy, easy.